Hi everyone, it is foiling fan Erica with you today, and as that little hint might have given it away, it is all about foiling today, specifically the Mum suite. So the reason I call it suite is that because it's now a stamp set, a coordinating die, and a hot foil plate. So set, suite, whichever you want to pick. I am going for suite for some reason. I don't know why, but it kind of feels like it just fits better. So if you have been around for a while with the hot foiling, you might have seen that there is also a rather genius invention that is called the solid hot foil plate. So this one is actually from Studio, and it is super genius. It allows you to use up your negative foil pieces as well as your prints. So this is the Spring Roses set. So this is obviously just the print has been done with normal foiling, and then I'm going to save that and use the hot foil plate, or the solid hot foil plate, and I'm going to use the leftover foil to make another impression. So that is exactly what I've done for today's cards using the Mum hot foil and coordinating die. So ta-da! 2 for 1. That's what we like, because nobody likes crafty ways, right? And with the solid hot foil plate, you really do get extra, like double out of your foiling. So this one is done just using the hot foil plate as it is, and this one is done using the negative with the solid hot foil plate, and then everything is cut out using the coordinating die, and then a little bit of bling-a-ling because it's still president of the overblingers here with you today. So what we're going to do is we're going to head down to the desk, and we're going to go through some of the little things that I do for foiling, and then we're going to put these cards together. So this is going to be quite short and sweet, I'm hoping, but yes, that is it. So let's do it. My Glimmer hot foil machine is hot and ready, and I've got my paper out as well. So this one, I might, if you've seen my last video, I mentioned this paper. It's really great for foiling. It's super affordable. And another thing that is great when it comes to foiling, this is a top tip, is to only cut out as much foil as you will actually need. Use your die cut as a guide, and then this will cut down on your waste as well. When you're foiling, always place your foil shimmery side down. Click the timer and wait until that is ready. And then we're going to roll this through our die cutting machine nice and slow. And then it's time for the best part, which is the reveal. So we're going to peel this slowly. And this one was slightly off-centered, but we managed to fix that anyway. So now this is the really key thing here as well. Make sure you always save your negative pieces, because even if you don't have a solid hot foil plate now, you might get one later on. You never know. And here are the 3 pieces that I've cut out. So I've used 3 different kinds or 3 different colors of foil, and then I cut them out with the coordinating die cut. And I mean, these look fab as they are. But because we have the negative pieces as well, we're going to place these all 3 in one go on the solid hot foil plate. And then we're going to add a slightly larger piece of paper, and then our shims. We're going to wait for the timer to do its thing. And then when I am using my solid hot foil plate, I usually run it through at least twice. This time I did do it 3 times. And now, watch this. Oh, isn't that just so nice? Now, I toyed with the idea here of using this whole thing as a panel, but I decided to cut them out. And so this is the pink foil. And you can see just how gorgeous that is. I mean, I can't even pick a favorite. I just love them both. And then we have the champagne foil. So this is a slightly paler gold than like the normal gold foil. And this one is stunning. This is moon dust. It's so lovely. So lovely. One of my new favorites. And then I'm using the thicker of the new Studio Katia foam tapes here to make sure that I get some nice depth and dimension of my die cuts. And I'm adding these to card bases, and you can see here just how high this is. It's so nice. And we're going to be adding bling-a-ling-a-ling, of course, as I mentioned in the beginning. And I picked out 3 different colors for each card. For the white one, I have used bubblegum pearls, magic pearls, and prismatic sky pearls. And for the card with the solid pieces, I've used rose pink pearls, gold foil pearls, and satin aqua. And I have, been quite generous. And I've added these with the wand. And that is really it. I mean, super, super simple. And I've kept this open without any sentiments on this, so you can add whatever you want. But I really hope you've enjoyed this, and I will see you soon again. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.